Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about a common problem in Wi-Fi, that is Wi-Fi connect but no internet. So let's see how to solve this problem. First of all, go to the control panel and then network sharing center and go to the change adapter setting and right click on it and go to the properties and select the internet protocol version 4. Double click on it and clear all the IP address. And select obtain an IP address automatically and click on OK. And now we can see this, our Wi-Fi is connected successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video then subscribe our channel